Welcome back to Week in IT. I'm Gladys Rama here once again to recap the most important enterprise tech headlines from the past couple of days, as researched and written by the editors of Converge 360 and narrated by AI. Let's dive in. First up, as we reported on Redmond Mag, two new Windows 11 capabilities that Microsoft promised last month are now generally available. The infamous blue screen of death with its sad face and QR code is no more. Microsoft said this screen was a source of anxiety and frustration anyway. So starting with Windows 11 24H2, when you experience an unexpected restart, you'll instead get a cleaner screen with a numerical error code that's meant to help IT diagnose issues faster. And under the surface, Windows 11 now has a new quick machine recovery feature that allows devices to automatically fix critical boot issues without user intervention. Quick Machine Recovery is enabled by default on Home editions and can be managed by IT for Pro Education and Enterprise versions. Early data from Microsoft shows a 24% drop in unexpected restart failures on Windows 11 compared to Windows 10, which is a pretty significant improvement in stability. Next, from RCP Mag, Microsoft has unveiled its 2025 release Wave 2 plans for Dynamics 365, Power Platform, and role-based Copilot offerings. These plans, slated for release between October 2025 and March 2026, feature hundreds of AI-related updates. IT teams can gain early access starting August 4 to test these features in sandbox environments. A core focus is on new AI agents designed to boost productivity across Dynamics 365. For example, Dynamics 365 Sales will gain a sales qualification agent for automated lead research, while Field Service will get a scheduling agent. Dynamics 365 for Finance, HR, and Supply Chain are also set to benefit from increased automation. As for Power Platform, enhancements include Copilot Studio for building agent teams and a unified governance hub for low-code applications. Here's something for the app developers, or maybe just those of you who hate anything to do with software licensing compliance. A recent survey reveals that over a quarter of organizations now spend more than $500,000 annually to resolve licensing compliance issues. Some even reach $1 million in costs. Oracle Java is a top pain point, with 73% reporting an audit related to it within the past 3 years. Nearly 80% are now planning to migrate to open source alternatives because of Oracle's frequent and complex policy revisions. Only 14% plan to keep their Oracle Java subscriptions, which is surprising, given how deeply embedded Java is in the enterprise. You can read more about the study over on ADT Mag. We've linked the article in the description box below. And finally, just in time for the new school year, Google is rolling out new features for AI mode in search. These are designed to make interacting with information more dynamic and intuitive. For example, users can ask questions about images on the desktop browser, and soon you'll be able to ask detailed queries right on an open PDF or on documents like lecture slides. Our article on virtualization and cloud review describes more of the features, which Google says will transform how users engage with information online. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Week in IT, and make sure to allow notifications so you don't miss the next one.